head boy ne head girl aba Mountain Zion Junior Academy tubaniriza mujje Aba speech, mujje. Aba speech, mujje. But we speech. Mountain Zion to training omwana okubanga.
My name is Nature Banis. I'm the head of Mountain Junior Academy. I'm here to give words of wisdom. So are dear parents who are most welcome.
My name is Mroza Shafi. I am the head boy. We are happy to see you.
The other time don't pay the last time try and it work. Stop from going to sleep. Set yourself. I haven't reached my goal. Yet whatever it is, and I'm going to be uncomfortable and angry, unhappy until I do.
You are right. You are right. For me, the best counsel I can give is the advice a friend to a young man who had just been keep on doing what he took to get started.
By the way, the area a person here said that he is dealing with a broken world in a shapy skin. That better if he quits.
Dear parents, the more you make life for your children, the more they become innovative on how to survive.
You are right. That goes to children also. The more children make life for their mother and father's hard, the more their parents become innovative on how to survive.
There is also when a person opens a mosquito net in order to allow fresh air in, mosquitoes enters in.
Yes, a person who sleeps on the floor does not fall out of the bed.
But again, a good actor can play the parts of Jesus Christ, but he never be Jesus Christ.
Wow, it is cheap to extend a hand for kindness than to request for kindness.
I am also emphasizing our dear parents, visitors and our fellow pupils that coming together is the beginning of Mount Zion, staying together is a process, working and living together is success.
At Mount Zion, without success is at the peak. A child on her mother's back cannot know how long the journey is.
But never start a car with a fire when you know that you are wearing dry leaves.
No matter how your father may be dear and growing.
Anyway, one gets to know the reason of doing something. The person cannot do that something effectively, and that is why we say success is at the peak.
Anze neyongedde okuguma Parliament y'abano ssente z'amafuta tujja ziryako.